bird on the wing, onward the sailors cry. Carry the lad that's born to be king over the sea to sky. Loud the wind howls, loud the waves roar, thunderclaps rend the air. Baffled our foes stand by the shore, follow they will not dare. Speed, bonny boat, like a bird on the wing, onward the sailors cry. Carry the lad that's born to be king over the sea to sky. Though the waves leap, soft shall ye sleep, ocean's a royal bed. Rocked in the deep, Flora will keep watch by your weary head. Speed, bonny boat, like a bird on the wing, onward the sailors cry. Carry the lad that's born to be king over the sea to sky. Many's the lad fought on that day, well the claymore could wield. When the night came, silently lay dead on Culloden's field. Speed, bonny boat, like a bird on the wing, onward the sailors cry. Carry the lad that's born to be king over the sea to sky. Burned our homes, exile and death, scatter the loyal men. Yet ere the sword cool in the sheath, Charlie will come again. Speed, bonny boat, like a bird on the wing, onward the sailors cry. Carry the lad that's born to be king over the sea to sky. O flower of Scotland, when will we see your like again, that fought and died for your wee bit hill and glen, and stood against him, proud Edward's army, and sent him homeward to think again? The hills are bare now, and autumn leaves lie thick and still, o'er land that is lost now, which those so dearly held that stood against him, proud Edward's army, and sent him homeward to think again. Those days are past now, and in the past they must remain, but we can still rise now and be the nation again that stood against him. Proud Edward's army, and send him homeward to think again. Those days are past now, and in the past they must remain. But we can still rise now and be the nation again that stood against him. Proud Edward's army, and sent him homeward to think again. Scots way where Wallace bled, Scots when Bruce has often led. Welcome to your gory bed, or to victory. Now's the day and now's the hour. See the front o' battle lour. See approach proud Edward's power, chains and slavery. Will be a traitor knave, wha can fill a coward's grave, wha sae base as be a slave, let him turn and flee. Wha for Scotland's king and law, freedom's sword will strongly draw. Freeman stand or freeman fall, let him follow me. By oppression's woes and pains, by your sons in servile chains, we will drain our dearest veins, but they shall be free. Lay the proud usurpers low, tyrants fall in every foe, liberties in every blow. Let us do or die. Is there for honest poverty that hings his heed, and all that the coward slave we pass him by? We dare be poor for all that, and all that were toils obscure, and all that the rank is but the guinea's stamp. The man's the gowd for all that. What though unhamely fare we dine, we're hard and grey and all that, give fools their silks and knaves their wine. A man's a man for all that, and all that, their tinsel show and all that. The honest man, though e'er sae poor, is king o' men for all that. Ye see on Birkie Court a lord, with struts and stairs and all that, though hundreds worship at his word, he's but a coof for all that, and all that, his ribbon star and all that, the man who indeed mind. He looks and laughs at all that. A prince can mak a belted knight, a marquis, duke, and all that, but an honest man's aboon his might. Good faith he mauna for that. For all that and all that, their dignities and all that, the pith o' sense and pride o' worth, are higher rank than all that. Then let us pray that come it may, as come it will, for all that sense and worth o'er all the earth shall bear the gree and all that. For all that and all that is coming yet, for all that man to man the world o'er shall brothers be for all that. Now Westland winds and slaughtering guns bring autumn's pleasant weather. The moorcock springs on whirring wings among the blooming heather. Now waving grain wide o'er the plain delights the weary farmer. The moon shines bright as I rove at night to muse upon my charmer. The patrick loves the fruitful fells, the plover loves the mountains, the woodcock haunts the lanely dells, the soaring hern the fountains. Through lofty groves the cushat roves, the path of man to shun it. The hazel bush o'erhangs the thrush, the spreading thorn the linnet. Thus every kind their pleasure find, the savage and the tender. Some social join and leagues combine, some solitary wander. Avaunt away the cruel sway, tyrannic man's dominion. The sportsman's joy, the murdering cry, the fluttering gory pinion. But Peggy dear, the evening's clear, thick flies the skimming swallow. The sky is blue, the fields in view, all fading green and yellow. Come, let us stray our gladsome way, and view the charms of nature. The rustling corn, the fruited thorn, and ilk a happy creature. We'll gently walk and sweetly talk while the silent moon shines clearly I'll clasp thy waist and fondly pressed swear how I love thee dearly. Nocturnal showers to budding flowers, nor autumn day the farmer, say dear can be as thou to me, my fair, my lovely charmer. Will ye gang to the Helands, lazy Lindsay? Will ye gang to the Helands wi' me? Will ye gang to the Helands, lazy Lindsay? My bride and my darling to be. To gang to the Helands wi' you, sir, would bring the salt tear to my ee. I'd leave in the green glens and the woodlands and streams o' my ain country. I'll show you the red deer a-roamin' on mountains where wave the tall pine, and as far as the bounds o' the red deer, ilk moorland and mountain is mine. 1,000 claymores I can muster, ilk blade and its bearer the same. Aye, and when round their chieftain they rally, the gallant Argyle is my name. There's dancing and joy in the Helands, there's piping and gladness and glee, for Argyle has brought home lazy Lindsay, his bride and his darling to be. Thank you. So it ends happily. When o'er the hill the eastern star tells Buchten time is near, my Joe, and Hausen frae the furrowed field return sae doff and weary, oh, down by the burn where scented birks with dew are hanging clear, my Joe, I'll meet thee on the Lyrig, my ain kind dearie, oh. At midnight o'er in murkest glen I drove an Airbnb, oh. If through that glen I gaed to thee, my ain kind dearie, oh, although the nicht were ne'er sae wild, and I were ne'er sae weary, oh, I'll meet thee on the Lyrig, my ain kind dearie, oh. sun to rouse the mountain deer, my Jo. At noon the fisher tags the glen, down the burn to steer, my Jo. Give me the hour o' gloamin' grey, it makes my heart sae cheery, to meet thee on the Learig, my ain kind dearie, Caw the owls tae the nows, caw them whar the heather grows, caw them whar the burnie rouse, my bonny dearie. Hark, the mavis evening sang, sounding Cluden's woods amang. Then a falding let us gang, my bonny dearie. We'll get doon by Cluden's side, through the hazel spreading wide, o'er the waves that sweetly glide, to the moon sae clearly. Yonder Cluden's silent towers, where at moonshine's midnight hours, o'er the dewy bending flowers, fairies dance sae cheery. Gayst nor bogle shalt thou fear, thou art to love and heaven sae dear. Naught o' ill may come thee near, my bonny dearie. Fair and lovely as thou art, thou hast stolen my very heart. I can thee but canna part, my bonny dearie. Maxwelton braes are bonny, where early falls the dew, and 'twas there that Annie Laurie gaed me her promise through, gaed me her promise through, which ne'er forgot will be, and for bonny Annie Laurie I'd lay me doon and dee. Her brow is like the snowdrift, her neck is like the swan, and her face it is the fairest that e'er the sun shone on, that e'er the sun shone on. And dark blue is her e'e, and for bonny Annie Laurie I'd lay me doon and dee. Like the dew on the gowan lying is the fall of her fairy feet, and like wind in the summer sighing, her voice is low and sweet. Her voice is low and sweet, and it's all the world to me. And for bonny Annie Laurie I'd lay me doon and dee. Step we gladly, on we go, heel for heel and toe for toe, arm in arm and row on row, all for Mary's wedding. Over hill ways, up and down, myrtle green and bracken brown, past the shillings through the town, all for the sake of Mary. Step we gladly, on we go, heel for heel and toe for toe, arm in arm and row on row, all for Mary's wedding. Red her cheeks as rowans are, bright her eye as any star, fairest o' them all by far, that's our darling Mary. Step we gladly, on we go, heel for heel and toe for toe, arm in arm and row on row, all for Mary's wedding. Plenty herring, plenty meal, plenty peach to fill her creel, plenty bonny bairns as weel, that's a toast for Mary. Step we gladly, on we go, heel for heel and toe for toe, arm in arm and row on row, all for Mary's wedding.